What's up, YouTube? It's Paul with Washington Pro Carpet Cleaning. You're looking at a box extractor, carpet cleaning extractor with accessories. This is I believe it's a 1992-93 model. However, the pump and the two dual stage vacuums have been completely changed out over time, and it has been painted all black. It used to be blue. It's definitely an older unit, but it still functions and works fantastic. I do have about 50 foot of pool hose and some additional water line, and the filter you can see there in the front of the picture, as well as a wand. This particular wand, though, I think at one point it had separated on the top side, and I think one of my boys, JB, welded it, so I'm not 100% certain that the wand is functioning. But I'm posting this video up because I thought I would give first rights to any of my YouTube subscribers. If you're local or close enough to Poulsbo, Washington, and you have an interest in getting a machine inexpensively, and this machine can be used for carpet cleaning, or it can be used for upholstery cleaning, spot cleaning, various things, or just for cleaning your own home if you're interested in that, or training people on portable units. And I figured I've got so much equipment, it's time for me to start downsizing. So this particular machine is the first one I'm listing, and I'm going to let the whole set, everything you're looking at there, go for $250, which is pretty cheap. And I'm not going to be mailing it, shipping it, or packing it, or sending it freight. You would just have to be local, come pick it up, or have somebody pick it up for you. I'm gonna leave it here on YouTube for about 7 days, and then after that I'll probably throw it up on Craigslist or OfferUp, Facebook Marketplace, something like that, and I'm sure it'll go quick. So if you've been in the market for a portable carpet cleaning machine, this one's got, I believe it's a SureFlow 100 PSI pump. And you can see the switches there. There's 3 switches, the pump and the 2 vacs. Very easy maintenance, easy to maintain. I used this quite often for apartments and areas that we couldn't get the truck mount into years ago. So let me know if you're interested. $250 cash, and you could be the proud owner. I know the machine works fantastic, no leaks, the vacs are good, the pump's good, the hoses are good, the water line's good, the filter thing works fine. And like I said, the only question I have is probably the wand, as far as, you know, if it has any air leaks or whatnot on it. But wands are cheap. I think they're, 99 bucks on eBay. So I'll put my email address in the description. If you have an interest in purchasing this for $250, hit me up in the email and I'll get back with you. Thanks for watching.